Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make jet tags. Jet tags are fantastic, durable fabric keychains, perfect for keeping your keys organized or adding a personal touch to your bags. They're super popular, especially among car enthusiasts and frequent travelers. Making your own is a fun and rewarding project, and you'll be surprised how simple it is with just a few common items. To begin your jet tag project, you'll need a few key supplies. First, grab some 1-inch wide nylon or polyester webbing. This forms the body of your tag. Next, you'll want a sturdy key ring and a small lobster clasp for attachment. Don't forget your sewing machine, a matching thread, sharp scissors, and a lighter to seal the edges of your webbing. Now, let's assemble your jet tag. Start by cutting a piece of your chosen webbing about 10 inches in length. Carefully fold this piece in half, making sure to insert your key ring into the fold. Use your sewing machine to sew a strong, straight stitch across the folded end, securing the key ring firmly in place. Finally, attach your lobster clasp to the opposite end of the webbing. To truly make your jet tag your own, consider adding some finishing touches. You could personalize it with custom embroidery or iron-on patches for a unique design. Experiment with different colored webbing to create a vibrant collection. Remember to carefully melt the cut edges of your webbing with a lighter to prevent any fraying. Double-check all your stitches to ensure your new jet tag is super durable and ready for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.